Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the color correction on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of your PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Display and Sound. From here, select Color Correction. In Color Correction Settings, turn on the option called Enable Color Filter. You can now choose the color filter you want to use. Once you have selected that, you can use the bar to drag and change the intensity of the color filter. To turn off the changes you made, you can simply disable that first option called Enable Color Filter again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.